Hello everyone, and welcome back to our beginner English course. This is day 3, talking about family. We are learning together every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. So far, we have learned Lesson 1, Greetings and Introductions. Lesson 2, Talking about daily routines. If you haven't watched those lessons yet, I recommend you check them out first. Today, we are going to learn how to talk about your family in English. This is very important because in almost every conversation, people ask about your family. It's one of the first topics when making friends. Part 2, Vocabulary Family Members. Let's begin with some basic family vocabulary. Repeat after me. Mother, mom. Father, dad. Brother. Sister. Grandfather, grandpa. Grandmother, grandma. Baby. Parents. Family. Practice tip. Say each word 3 times. Mother. 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 Part 3. Simple sentences with family. Now let's make some simple sentences. Listen and repeat. This is my mother. This is my father. I have 1 brother. I have 2 sisters. My grandfather is kind. My grandmother is 70 years old. We are a family. Part 4, Asking and answering questions. In conversations, people often ask about your family. Let's learn how. Question 1. How many brothers and sisters do you have? Answer. I have 1 brother and 1 sister. Question 2. Do you have any children? Answer. Yes, I have 2 children. No, I don't have children. Question 3. Who is in your family? Answer. My family has my parents, my brother, and me. Part 5, Dialogue Practice. Now let's practice a short dialogue together. I will read one person's part, and you will read the other. Ready? Dialogue 1, Meeting a friend. Do you have brothers or sisters? Yes, I have 1 brother. How many people are in your family? There are 4 people in my family. Who are they? My mother, my father, my sister, and me. Excellent.
Dialogue 2, Talking about parents. What does your father do? He is a teacher. What about your mother? She is a doctor. Good job. Keep practicing this conversation with a friend or family member. Part 6, Family Tree Activity. Here's a fun activity. Draw a family tree on a piece of paper. Write the names of your family members in English. For example, Father, John. Mother, Mary. Brother, Alex. Sister, Emma. This activity will help you remember the words better. Part 7, Mini Quiz. Time for a quick quiz. Answer out loud. What do you call your father's father? Grandfather. What do you call your mother's mother? Grandmother. Complete the sentence. I have 2 brothers or sisters. What is the English word for mom? Mother. Say this sentence in English. This is my family. This is my family. Well done. You are learning fast. Part 8, Wrap up and homework. Today we learned how to talk about family in English. Family vocabulary. Sentences like this is my mother. Asking and answering family questions. Practicing dialogues. Homework. Write 5 sentences about your family in English. Example, I have 1 brother. My sister is 10 years old. My mother is kind. My father is a doctor. We are a happy family. Post your sentences in the comments below, and I will check them. Don't forget. New lessons every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Watch the previous lessons if you missed them. Great job today. See you in lesson 4, talking about hobbies.